From a reading of the aforesaid judgment, which was on an appeal against an order declining the prayer for provincialization, this court is of the considered opinion that a contra view is not permissible in law. As regards the case law cited, those would not have any relevance in view of the order of the Honorable Division Bench in the case of Purnavati Brahma and cannot be treated as binding precedent. In view of the above, no relief can be granted. Writ petition is dismissed. Obligation.
Motion be before vacation, Lordship.
Fresh matter.
Yes, Lordship.
Whenever you say. Monday
Lord-
next.
Lordship on Monday. Obliged, Lordship.
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 3, my lord. This matter may kindly be taken up after vacation, my lord, any date. 3 and 4, my lord.
3 and 4. You get reference. You're for the appellant in the other case by the convict. Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, sir. State.
But-
Mr. Kamar for?
I'm appearing as an amicus curiae appointed by the Honorable High Court.
We'll have after the vacation.
After it.
On a prayer made on behalf of the appellant in criminal appeal 336 of 2018. Consideration of this matter is deferred and it is to be posted after the Puja vacation.
I'm on it.
Lordship, I have filed one additional affidavit in connection with item number 14 and 15, Lordship, to bring on record that he is seriously ill, Lordship. Lordship probably remember on other day I have mentioned, Lordship, so I have filed that affidavit. That may be kindly call forward.
Is there
May please, Lordship. I pray for listing a criminal appeal, my Lordship. It was listed long back in the year.
What is the stage?
My Lordship, I for bail, but that was dismissed.
Okay.
Dismissed, that was fixed for hearing, my Lord.
Paper book has been prepared.
Yes, my Lord.
We'll have it next week, then we'll fix a date for hearing.
Yes,
Next Wednesday.
next week.
My pleasure, my lord. I'm back to mention item number 9, my lord. It's a series, my lord, 5 to 11, my lord. I'm appearing for 9.
Thanks.
Some difficulties today, my lord. No way out, my lord. I prepared. Mine is item 7. Is starting from 6.
Other councils have been informed. There are many other councils.
Here's a here.
The other council for the other matters have been informed.
They are here. Yes, one Bora.
Okay. You are in item number 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Your name K.I. Mazumdar.
Yes, ma'am.
Shri K.I. Mazumdar, Learned Counsel for the appellant in criminal appeal 9 of 2022 has paid for an adjournment on personal grounds. Full stop. The consent of the Learned Counsel in the connected cases have been taken. Full stop. Para. List after the Puja vacation.
After Puja,
5 to
11. 5 to 9 is 6 or 5 of them. 5.
okay.
Published.
Thank you.
When it is come for order, we have filed one bail petition, but I take the last order, minute. The respondent number 2, advocate when it has prayed for time to file objection.
Legal aid counsel.
Yes, minute.
Madam Borpujari. I think the Borpujari.
Please.
Name is not shown.
For that lordship, the name may be reflected.
Probably that, for that, but she is not.
Name is not
Mm.
shown.
সেইকাৰণে আহা নাই।
It appears from the Hart Street SC Biswaf learned counsel for the petitioner, who has informed this court that by the last order dated 22/7/2024, time was granted to the learned legal aid counsel appearing for the respondent number 2 to file objection to the IA. Full stop. Para. It however appears from the cause list that the name of Miss D. Borpujari, learned legal aid counsel, has not been reflected. Full stop. Para. In view of the above, list on Wednesday next by reflecting.
Let it come after vacation.
No, we'll pass an order. I will see whether the objection has been filed or not. We'll adjourn the matter on Wednesday, only to ensure that he sees Wednesday. Wednesday morning. Tuesday, on Tuesday, by reflecting the name of Miss G. Borpujari in the cause list. D for Dipanjali.
The 89 petition was there, my lord. They have filed objection recently, my lord. Whether it has come on record or we don't know, my lord.
Item number 2.
Yeah.
Here for whom?
For the appellant, my lord. This is criminal appeal number 442 of
Mr.
2000.
Vikas for.
Both, we are both.
Okay, okay. Well, yesterday.
It has come. It has already been the record. I'm sorry.
Master. Flag it. Yes, it is there. Madam, you are for the state?
Yes, sir.
This matter, your lord, for consideration of the 89 petition, my lord. Some appreciation will be required, my lord. There were some omissions with regard to 161 statement.
Okay, then we'll ask the paper book to be prepared. We'll not pass any orders here. We'll
Not
keep this alive. Let the
Yeah.
paper book be there. You make another try. Then
Because
otherwise,
161 statement, all improvement, man. They have nothing stated in there before the police, man. And that has been corroborated by the evidence of the IO. So it will require some time for appreciation of evidence, whether actually, whether that they are credible or not.
we'll ask the paper book to be prepared.
In the meantime, let us know, yes.
Heard 3P Kotoki, learned counsel for the applicant appellant, whereas Miss S.H. Bora, learned additional PP, is present for the state. Full stop. Ms. Bora has informed this court that the objection filed has been tagged with the records, and there is an office note dated 29/8/2024 in this regard. Full stop. Para. As the grounds ours in support of this application would require certain appreciation of the evidence. Records have come. Dekha, record is evidence, we direct the registry to prepare the paper book as the records have already been received. Full stop. Para. List immediately after preparation of the paper book and furnishing the copies of the same to the respective council.
Outside.
I did 14 and 15 subsidies.
Additional affidavit from ISL. Call for the additional.
পড়েছিল নাকি বাবা?
এই মাত্র আনিছিলেন যে
হ্যাঁ।
আমি যে
ও আহমেদ ওহো এখন নাকি এখন তো নহয় এখন নহয় এডিশনাল এফিডেভিট আহা নাই
It was there, but now they have filed one competition.
Yes.
See
No,
there-
additional affidavit has been,
Lot-
yes,
lot-
madam,
And for decision must be yellow, file, objection yellow. That-
the IA. We could have passed orders in presence of Mr. Ahmed. You're with Mr. Ahmed.
Madam, my senior will appear.
You're with,
14, 15.
you are with Mr. Ahmed?
Yes.
No, she wants to file objection. We'll have to
wants
give
time.
some
Time.
opportunity to file objection, okay? Uh,
That is the.
the present ground which has been urged, we have not seen the IA or additional affidavit.
It is, I.
I am, madam. Yes, I am, madam.
But the principal ground is illness. So perhaps your role will not be that much. Madam, your role would be there.
We have filed lordship, objection filed.
No, no, on the grounds of illness.
Lord,
That was not pleaded in the earlier IA. Okay.
lordship.
Though afresh IA in terms of the order dated 23/9/2024 has been stated to be filed, comma. The same has not been tagged with the records. Para. In any case, comma, Miss A. Begum. A. Begum, learned counsel, appearing for the opposite party number 2. Prays for time to file objection to the same. 2 weeks time?
That may be.
Well, let such objections be filed within a period of 2 weeks. Full stop. List along with the IA and the objection that may be filed on, we'll have it on 24th, is it okay? 24th October. Thursday.
Content clear.
Yes, ma'am. Well.
Well,
Matrimonial appeal, my lord. My lord, wife filed divorce suit, my lord, it was decreed. Marriage took place on, my lord, 12/5/2018.
12/5/18. Marriage.
Took place on 12/5/2018. And
Who's for the other side, Mr. Bora?
Yes, madam. I am for the respondent.
Appellant is the
appellant is the husband, my lord,
appellant husband, second party,
my lord,
second party.
second part.
Suit was decreed, suit for divorce.
Suit for divorce, my lord, suit was decreed. And against this, my lord, is matrimonial appeal has been filed.
Which court? Which family court?
Family court, Borpeta. So I am not against the divorce. I am against only the permanent alimony part. The permanent alimony, my lord, that was 8 lakhs has been, my lord, awarded. And against that, my lord, although I filed a affidavit, my lord, regarding, my lord, nowadays, my lord,
Assets and liability.
asset and liability affidavit, I have.
Rajneesh.
Rajneesh versus Neha, my lord, that is 2021 2 STC, my lord.
Yes.
But only in one para, that was, my lord, decided against me.
Rupees 8 lakhs.
8 lakhs.
What do you do?
I'm working as a, my lord, computer repairing work, my lord.
Computer,
Computer repairing, my lord.
self-employed.
Self-employed, my lord, computer repairing. And actually, my lord, what happened in this case, I meet with an accident.
You have some issue?
No,
No issue?
no,
Okay,
I meet with an accident.
yes.
I was,
When?
accident took place, my lord, that is 2/2/2020,
After the marriage?
after the marriage, my lord. And I was almost for a month, my lord, more than a month, I was in hospital. And in fact, my lord, the time when my wife should have been with me, my lord. And after the incident, she left.
Yes.
And in the meantime, my lord, COVID come, because of the COVID, my lord, my computer repairing, my lord, also, my lord, it is door to door, it will be, my lord, hampered. And I am depending on my father's, my lord, income. And that effect, my lord, I filed affidavit also. But that was not considered. Your lordship kindly see regarding permanent alimony, my lord, what are the findings in the, my lord, judgment? Your lordship will find, my lord, paper book, page 84. Page 84.
Yes,
Para 15, my lord.
yes.
Coming to the point of permanent alimony, the plaintiff has pleaded that the defendant earned rupees 80,000 per month from his computer service center to tractor and contact work in various companies. Moreover, the defendant has landed properties at the Borpeta Road. In the cross-examination of PW1, it was necessary for the defendant to deny the claim made by the defendant. The defendant, on the other hand, pleaded that the suffered from road accident and he is undergoing a medical treatment. He denied having other business claimed by the plaintiff. The defendant admitted in his cross-examination that his father owned a landed at Nityananda Borpeta Road and Guwahati and the three-storied building at the Jyotinagar Borpeta Road. Considering the economic status of the defendant, I believe that it is required to accord similar status of the plaintiff. Considering all facts, I believe that an amount of rupees 80 lakhs as a permanent alimony and rupees 20 as a cost of the defendant. So that is the only parameter.
Rupees 80 lakhs.
No, 80, no, 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs. Sorry, 8 lakhs. So, my lord, at any cost, my lord, I cannot give, my lord, 8 lakhs to him, my lord. Her, my lord. And she also, my lord, self-employed, my lord. She is working and she has a beauty parlor shop, my lord. And she also, my lord, working in a private company, my lord. And my DW1, DW2, DW3 clearly mentioned that, my lord, I'm totally dependent upon, after my incident, my lord, I'm totally dependent upon my income of my parents. If you lordship, my lord, kindly see, my lord, DW1, page 50, my lord. Page 50, my lord.
What is your age?
My lord, my age, at present probably 37, my lord, at that point of my now, my lord, probably 38, 39.
What was the nature of the accident? I
Accident,
mean
my
the injuries?
injuries, my lord. Injury report, my lord. He got head injury also, my lord. That's why he quite a long period, my lord, he was in
No, no,
hospital.
now what is the stage?
This, my lord, from the evidence, my lord, still, my lord, he is partially, my lord, not well, my lord, because he cannot
No,
move
no, what
freely.
was that is why we are trying to gather what was the nature,
My
exact
lord,
nature of the injuries? He must have exhibited the medical reports.
And he state, my lord, medical report. Remove the existing conflict in hand. This is one minute. Uh, 10.
6.
Excellent level. In my asset and liability affidavit filed before this honorable court, your lordship will find that, my lord. Page 103, my lord. Page 106, my lord.
One zero?
6, my lord. In para 6, my lord, at page 99, I have stated, my lord. Page 99, para 6, I have stated that answering deponent back to state that he had sustained grievous injury in road traffic accident on 2/2/2020 at about 4:30 p.m. Accident took place at
99 of what?
99 of the page number 99, my lord. That is affidavit
It's not 99.
filed before this honorable court regarding a certain liability.
Your affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
Internal page?
Internal page, my lord, 99, my lord.
No, your internal pages.
Internal page, my lord. 1 to 3, my
Okay,
lord.
there are 299. He is a policeman. Yes, we have got that. Yes, we have got.
Because this honorable court asked me to file a affidavit regarding that whether any claim made for the accident, my lord. And that is I explained, my lord.
99. Police.
Para 6, my lord.
Just a minute, please. What is your name? Arun.
Or Arunjyoti Talukdar.
Yes, which,
But medical certificate I have annexed, that is a page
which
0105.
paragraph are you trying to?
My lord, I am trying to put my lord para 6, my lord.
Paragraph 6, yes.
That answering deponent back to state that he had sustained grievous injury in road traffic accident on 2
Just a
to
minute, please.
Page number কিমান?
আমার একটু 99 এটা লৈছে দুটো 99 আছে এইটো নহয় আপোনাৰ এইবিলাক এটা অৰুণে ফাইল কৰা
পুরনো file করে। পাইছো।
Yes, paragraph 6.
my lord. He sustained grievous injury and road traffic accident on 2/2/22 at about 4:30 p.m. Accident took place at Halukabandha Bridge under the Sorbuk police station in Kolkata district. The appellant was a pillion rider of the two-wheeler bike bearing AS 7 model Yamaha Stentor. The death of registration of Stentor on his family, one of his family friend was the driver of the two-wheeler bike. The elder brother, that is Rupjyoti Talukdar of the appellant, was owner of the bike. After the accident, the bike was completely damaged and it was sold on scrap. After the incident initiated, he brought to the Hulukabandha Model Hospital, Borbeta, and Assam, but due to his grievous injury, as per the suggestion of the family and friend and doctor, the same day he was shifted to Narayana Super Specialist Hospital, Amingam at Guwahati. It was 11th time. It is relevant to mention here that no claim has been lodged before the insurance company or any other authority regarding the said incident. That the appellant during the defendant hearing and beg to state that no vehicle or any two-wheeler back in his own name. That however, prior to the marriage, he had a Bajaj Pulsar in his name, but the same was sold out way back in 2012, 2010. Prior to the marriage, since the engine of the bike was fully damaged. That the during defendant back to state that he is not a immovable movable property in his name. That the answering defendant back to state that his father is a retired government employee, retired on 1st day of July 2016 from the Office of Additional Chief Engineer, Public Health Engineer in Boragheli, and presently he is about 68-year-old. The time of retirement, the father of answering defendant was holding the post of Assistant Executive Engineer. The mother and the appellant is a housewife and is 62-year-old. The elder brother of the appellant was a married person having his wife and minor daughter. The elder brother of the appellant is working as a salesperson in private finance product institute of locality. All the family members of appellant are residing jointly. The appellant begs to state that till the filing of this case, he is not fully cured. The appellant cannot sit and stand in a place for more than a half an hour. He cannot concentrate properly in a work due to the disturbance of his vision and mild body pain. The appellant begs to state that during the pendency of his present appeal, he paid the amount of rupees 20,000. The by check numbers transferred in favor of the opposite party. Industries diagnosed with case numbers transferred as same. So, my lord, medical certificate I have annexed and 105, my lord. Slightly defect in his vision, my lord, and some pain in back.
Vision is not a problem. Where is the vision problem?
No, he stated in the affidavit. That's why I'm submitting, my lord.
It may be there, but in the medical report, it's not there.
My lord. Findings are at page 8, my lord. Medical findings, sir. Page 108, my. Slightly, my lord, damage in brain, my. So, my lord, constantly he cannot sit in a, for a more than 20-30 minutes in a same place.
That is not, that may be a fact you have stated, but that is not, it's not revealed from the medical documents.
No, that my lord, bilateral temperature, partial scalp, hematoma and chin.
How do you, now what is your source of, how do you survive?
Now, my lord, your lordship kindly see, my lord, my evidence, my lord, PW1, PW2, and PW3, my lord. Clearly stated, my lord. Your lordship, kindly see, my lord, DW1, my lord, DW1, my lord, page 50, my lord. Page 50, your lordship, got.
Yes.
That the marriage between the petitioner and my solemnized on 12 to 20 as per Hindu rights and Ahmed. After the solemnized marriage, I, along with the petitioner, started a living in a husband and wife in the residential center. They are not children born to a wedlock of this petitioner. Before marriage, the petitioner and I have lot of affair for a long, for 10 years, and my marriage was engaged marriage. At the view that
No, but
They-
Mr. Mahanta, you need not read all the part because
my
you
lord,
are
your
not,
lordship,
you're not, you very openly said that you are not
yes, I
against
am
the
not.
divorce.
Then my lord,
Only on the aspect of alimony. You
My
can
lord.
Address on that. Where is the part?
your lordship, kindly, my lord, from page para 14, my lord.
Paragraph 17, you have said that you are completely dependent on other family.
Yes, page 16 and 17, my lord. At the meet with the accident, so I sustained grievous injury in my head, and till now I am under the treatment of the doctors Nayan Hospital, Penso, copy of this Penso. And now I am the completely depending upon my other family members. Since my above mentioned incident, I am now unable to day work in such I have not any income source. The petitioner rises Penso. So same, my lord, line, my lord, your lordship, TW2, my lord. Para 16 and 17, my lord. Page 56, my lord. That is BW2, my lord. The father of the, my lord,
Page?
page 56, my lord.
Where does it start?
Page 16, my lord, page 56, your lordship, go to
Where does it start?
page 16, my lord.
54 it starts.
I start from 54, my lord.
DW2,
TW2,
mother, father.
father, my lord, Mukul Talukdar. The respondent opposite party meet with an accident on Penso. Till now he is been under the treatment of Dr. Nayana Hospital, Penso.
Paragraph?
16 and 17, my lord. Para 16 and 17.
Okay.
Then, my lord, page 58, another independent witness, Toliko Das. He is the Gaumbuda of the village, my lord. Para 1, I am the Gaumbuda of the village, so, my lord. He is also stated in, my lord, affidavit. Para 15 and 16, my lord.
At?
Page 60. Para 15, my lord. That the respondent opposite party meet with an accident on 2 to 20. The result of his sustained grievous injury on his head, and till now he is under treatment of Dr. Nayana Hospital, Guwahati. That now the respondent opposite party is completely depending upon his family members since his above mentioned accident, and the respondent opposite party is now unable to do
No, but
any work
Mr.
under
Mr. Monto, this,
my lord.
see, it has already been scrutinized by the landed,
No, that was
expert
not been,
judge.
that is not been, my lord, considered.
Just,
Not a single discussion is there, my lord.
just a minute, listen to the question. These are already scrutinized, but nonetheless, if you see the statements, those are exactly the same. And kindly see what is the date of the affidavit of the Gambura. Rather, everyone.
My lord.
The date of the
12/5.
affidavit is May
12/5.
2022. The accident was in February 2020.
My lord.
Whatever was stated in the plaint, it is a copy of the, the written statement. During filing of the written statement, probably he was under treatment. After 2 years, he said
No,
that
my lord, now he has to, sometime he has to come to the hospital
see
because
the
of the,
language, see the language employed.
My lord.
Under Gaumura's language employed. At paragraph 15.
My lord.
Opposite party met with an accident and so and so, and so and so and so. Until now, he is under the treatment of the doctor.
No, that's why my lord last, in my affidavit, probably.
Why these were not taken into consideration by the learned court, we not know. Should have
No,
been.
that is not been, my lord, there is no finding on that, my lord. Only one para I have already read, my lord, that is the only para regarding permanent element. Since he says, the wife says that, my lord, I am earning more than 80,000, that's fine, my lord. But no discussion about that. At least, my lord, regarding permanent element, all the judgment of the apex court says that you have to see the income of the both, my lord.
Now, why we are stressing on this? Because the aspect of income will be directly related to your health condition.
Yes, my lord.
You are saying that you are not in a position to work.
My lord.
And you were
And,
earlier a
most-
computer, I used to repair computers.
My computer, my lord, after the COVID, my lord, is the door. I'll go to the the house of the, my lord, person concerned, and I getting repairing work, my lord, I'll got the man. So now after the COVID, my lord, that chance also gone, my lord.
Why?
And because, my
Now?
lord, nowadays, my lord, nobody, my lord, going to that,
Now,
no, that point of time.
that.
So that one I have left, my lord. I left that job, my lord.
You are
Because,
still equipped with the skills. You cannot leave the job. It's your job. It's not that you have been working under somebody.
but for 8 lakh is, for me, is a very huge amount of money.
How much as per you is a reasonable amount?
My lord, I am even, my lord, taking the loan also, I am ready to pay, my lord, 3 lakhs of rupees, my lord.
3 lakhs. Today's context.
No, my lord, she is earning, she is an educated lady, she is also, my lord, getting, my lord, she is also earning, my lord. And she is not, she is
Into
employed,
some employment. What kind of employment?
my lord.
What job?
No, your lordship kindly, at that point of time, my lord, he was a beauty parlor, my shop, my lord. He
That-
working in a beauty
That
parlor
is
shop.
very temporary. It's not a job.
No, now, my lord, she in affidavit, she is that, she stated that I am earning, my salary is 11,000 rupees, my lord. A certain liability equity. Page 91, my lord. The affidavit filed by the additional fund, my lord, reply him more.
This affidavit is of no meaning. It's a cut-paste job. Kindly come to page 61. Petitioner has raised some baseless and concocted allegation, and therefore the petition has to be dismissed.
My lord,
Your Gaupura is taking the place of the husband. Where have you stated? Where do you stay? What is the proximity of between your house and the house of the parties that you know of their day-to-day functions? Suddenly you say the allegations are baseless. Simply cut paste.
probably, my lord, that affidavit, my lord, regarding, my lord, to restrain the divorce, not for the permanent alimony.
No, no, but how can a
my
Gaupura
lord-
say without narrating that yes, I stay in the nearby place? I know that there is no such incident taking place. No incidents of cruelty. You just simply cut paste whatever is stated in the WS for DW1, DW2, DW3, except the first paragraph. See the language,
Yes, I've seen, my lord.
three affidavits.
Been in all typing sort of same everything, my lord. But I have seen in the same day it was done. Probably, my lord, it was taken in the same day, my lord.
No, not same day. These are chief affidavit. These are affidavits, not examination done in the court.
My lord, my lord. These are sheep, my lord. Yes.
Took a very easy course. Copy and paste. Change
My
the
lord,
name.
Actually, my lord, that fact remained that still I am unemployed, my lord. I am not engaged in anything.
You're lucky that Mr. Bora has not come up for enhancement.
No, my lord, that has to be, my lord, by putting me in jail, my lord.
8 lakhs, today's context. To reach the court from your house, it will take 1,000 rupees.
My lord,
With the traffic jam. How much do you spend if you go out for a movie? Do you ever go out for a movie?
I don't know last when I have gone to the movie, my lord, in hall, my lord.
You go to some other places, do you know? So you'll not go for a movie. With the rate of inflation, 8 lakhs, we don't think that is
No, my lord.
on the very high side. It is.
But it will be difficult for me, my lord. That's why I'm submitting. I have to take loan, either I have to take loan or I have to take, my lord, from my parents. my
See,
lord.
we have not even heard Mr. Bora. Obviously, he's going to resist tooth and nail.
My lord.
And as we have said, you're lucky that he has not come for enhancement.
And that may be,
He'll
my
not
lord.
say, he'll
but your lordship
not concede to your submission or your offering of 3 lakhs. He'll not concede. And we don't want him also to concede. 3 lakhs. 8 lakhs is not on the higher side.
But my lord, suppose, my lord, I am unable to pay. I have to go to jail, my lord. What he will get, my lord? Your lordship kindly see the, it should be balanced, my lord. Yes. Hence, my lord, your lordship kindly see this marriage was took place after the love marriage, my lord. After
No,
10,
Mr. Mohanto, definitely we would have considered if the amount was exceptionally high. It is 8 lakhs.
no, 8 lakhs, my lord, no problem. For a permanent income source man, my lord, is not a problem for him, my lord. The person who is that present, my lord, who is not been employed, my lord, meet with an accident, the most crucial time when she should have with me, my lord, she left me.
So that is the divorce.
Ah.
That is the divorce. So
My
you are not even.
No, I am not on that.
So
That
you-
person, but
okay.
regard for that, my lord, and she is earning, she is your lordship kindly see in her affidavit, my lord.
No, for the reason that she has left you in a crucial moment, that will not have any effect on the alimony part.
Correct, correct. I understand, my lord. That is true. But because of my accident, my lord, I am unable to earn, my lord. That has that.
Yes, Mr. Bora.
It's fine.
What?
My lord,
Just a minute. income ঠিক নহয় 8 লাখ খুব বেশি পাইছে সেইটোতো আৰু হেৰি ৰিচাৰ্জ ৰিপৰ্টত ইমান প্ৰব্লেম নাই আছে ইছ্যু এটা আছে কিন্তু চলিব পাৰিব পৰৱৰ্তীনো যদি অলপ কনচিড কৰে কাৰণ তেওঁতো এনাউন্সমেণ্টৰ কাৰণে আগতকেতো উত্তৰ কৰিব নোৱাৰে অতি কম Mr. Bora,
yes, my lord. Lordship,
you have heard your senior colleague.
yes, my.
He is
have
not.
heard it so
He's
far. He
only
has
on the
taken-
aspect of the quantum.
He has taken the plea of that medical health condition of the.
Health condition and
But,
directly
so far I
connected.
have-
Directly connected to the health condition is the source of income.
Yes, so far he has stated
What
in
What do you do?
Lordship, now I have filed an additional affidavit, my lord.
Yes.
Earlier I filed assets and liability.
Hmm.
At that point of time, your lordship, she has a private job.
Hmm.
And I annexed the salary certificate also, page 95. She was getting 11,000 per month. But subsequently, my lord, there was another development. She lost her father, lordship. I have brought it on record by way of filing additional affidavit, my lord.
95, you said?
Yes, my lord, that was my assets and liability. Page 95.
Just a minute, please.
Yes.
Okay, Arun Krishna Das. You're Krishna Das?
Yes, my Krishna Das wife.
Mm.
So she managed a private job.
Where, 95?
95, this 95. I annexed the
Yes, yes.
salary certificate issued by the. It was a private agency, my lord. There she managed a job and she was getting 11,000 per month. And at that point of time, my lord, she had the burden of EMI, monthly rupees 9,000. I have stated at para 5.
EMI for?
EMI for a loan, my.
Yes,
That was
obviously
a-
for loan. Loan for what?
That was for opening a beauty parlor.
Beauty parlor after medicine.
But so far the business failed, my lord. But she has to pay the installment.
Beauty parlor where?
That is in her place.
Where?
Now it is closed, my.
Which place?
That is in her place, my lord.
Obviously.
Borpeta, my lord.
Borpeta is a district. Which
Yes.
place in Borpeta?
That is my lord.
Hospital.
Parental house, yes, my lord. That is Gonokusi, Kanara Satra.
Conora.
Kanara,
It's
sorry,
not Kannada.
Kanara Satra, my lord.
Kannada.
There. But that was closed, my lord. She failed in that business. But liability of that loan is there. I have annexed her to page 96. Your lordship will find.
Now, what is the stage?
Now she has to pay.
This 11,000 job you are still having?
No, my lord. I have brought it on record by your filing additional affidavit, my lord. It starts from page 114, my lord. She had to leave the job, my lord.
When?
She left the job, my lord. From February 2024. Now she is unemployed, my lord. On 30th January 2024, her father died, my lord, after treatment in Guwahati Metro Hospital. And under that circumstances, my lord, her mother was alone and she had to accompany her mother. So because of that, she had to sacrifice her job, my lord, and now she is living with her mother. At present, she is not employed. That is her
You don't
present-
have any siblings?
My lord,
You don't have any brothers, sisters?
they are living separate.
Brothers?
Two brothers, they are living with their family.
Brothers do not have any obligation towards the mother.
But they are not living with their mother. Now she is looking after her mother. That is at
Where
present.
have you stated?
I-
Where have you stated? Where have you stated this, that to
Lordship,
give company to your mother, you have to leave your job?
in my additional affidavit, it starts from 114. Page 114, Lordship will find at page 114,
Yes.
para 2. The deponent begs to state that during the pendency of the aforesaid matter appeal, on 31/24, her father passed away after long battle with the various ailments and treatment thereof at Guwahati Metro Hospital, leaving behind his old ailing wife, 2 sons, including the deponent. Her aforesaid brothers are living separately in other places with their respective families, and under such circumstances, the deponent has been looking after her ailing mother in all respects by staying together with her mother. As a result, she had to leave her private job from the month of February 2024, and at present she has no any source of income except the family pension of her mother, my lord. For the aforesaid reason, the respondent is facing serious financial difficulty, and now she is in a need of suitable amount so that she can survive herself by starting a new venture. More so, the State Bank of India, Borpeta branch authorities also insisting the deponent by putting constant pressure to clear the DIC loan amount of rupees 5 lakhs with interest, which was sanctioned and availed by her from the State Bank to start her business of a beauty parlor. However, her said business setup could not succeed because of low income as well as financial liabilities of EMI of the State Bank. I have said it in this paragraph. But so far, his medical condition. This is the present condition, economic status of the respondent. Now she is unemployed. And when he was in her private job, my lord, at time also she had to avail, she had to stay in the rental house, my lord, and she had to pay rents for that.
Private job was where?
In Guwahati.
Private job was in
In
Guwahati.
Guwahati. But however, from February 2024, she left her because of that. Yes, she is not permanently employed, my lord, is one aspect. And apart from that, so far medical health condition of the contended by my senior counsel, my lord, in their assets and liability, at page 101, they have stated the appellant Bextu stated till filing of this case, he is not fully cured. The appellant cannot sit or stand in a place for more than half an hour. Page 101 there of assets and liability matter, and cannot concentrate properly in any work due to disturbance of his vision and mild body pain.
Yes.
That was their content. And so far, medical reports speaks otherwise, my lord. 105, page 105, medical documents, it starts from 105.
Yes.
Lordship got it?
Yes.
Lordship, at the top here, date of admission, 3rd February 2020, and date of discharge 4th February 2020. It was for 1 day. In the right side corner, my lord. That was not for 1 month or for 1 day, my lord. Date of admission, 3rd February, and discharge 4th February. And so far, my lord, at page 106, course in hospital, down below, my lord, page 106. Course in hospital, my lord. Patient was initially managed in IT. After stabilization, he was shifted to cabin. Orthopedics and ENT consultations were taken and advice followed. Now he is being discharged with the following advice, my lord. It is continuing in page 107. Advised on discharge, my lord. Rest at home for 7. That is for 7 days. Apply soft cervical collar. Review after 7 days, my lord, in neurosurgery. And then, my lord, so far, regarding eye, his eye problem, your lordship will find at page 112.
Mr. Mohanto,
My lord.
this discharge summary was given to your wife, Krishna Das.
My lord.
She was there with you.
Yes, my lord. After that, my lord. Till that, after 1 month only, my lord, my incident, my lord, he left.
But it's not that you were in the hospital for 2 months.
Yes,
No, I was in hospital, my lord. I was not in hospital for 2 months, but regularly interval, my lord, I have to, my lord, come to the hospital, my lord.
No, you are undergoing treatment,
Yes.
maybe at home or even
Oh, my
coming to
lord.
the hospital.
she was taking care of her husband at that point of time. She was with him. So far, page 112, my lord, 112. Regarding his eyes problem, it is revealed 1, 2, 3, 4th line, my lord. Page 112. Both orbital walls appear intact and with normal eye gloves, my lord. The others also, the nasal bone and bony nasal septum appear normal. Mandible and maximum apostle also appear normal. So almost normal, my lord, and this is not so serious injury that is contending. So far, medical report suggests, my lord, it is otherwise.
What were your grounds of divorce?
They filed it, my lord.
No, he was the second party.
Lordship.
It was your petition, your suit, isn't it?
Cruelty, my lord. One.
Duly proved.
That was proof, my lord, and accordingly, that was decree was passed.
What
And
are
so-
the allegation of cruelty?
She was subjected to cruelty by them. He came
What is
in
the
and
allegation?
he remains in intoxicated state, and she was physically tortured, physically and mentally.
Okay.
These are the all allegations. So far.
Allegations are there.
Yes, that was proof, and accordingly it was secret, my lord. And so far they are not agreed with that part. So
No, we just wanted to know the.
yes. So these are all medical reports, my lord. They suggest otherwise. The normal. Okay.
Mr. Mahanta has said that he's agreeable to some amount which we also are not very
No,
keen on
my-
accepting.
Yes, my lord.
What is your take on that?
Lordship, the cost of the proceeding also, which was
20,000.
ordered by the trial court, my lord, it was also paid after filing of this appeal. During the and another amount was also paid in the meantime.
How much
But
has
so
been paid?
far,
How much has been paid?
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 lakh, my lord. The honorable court directed to, so that is why that was paid during the appeal, my lord. 8 lakhs is now at present context of time, 8 lakhs is nothing, my lord. And so far, this round of litigation also, she has been dragged to this litigation. The another cost and expenditure, my lord, on her part.
No, he's got the right to appeal, so it's not a question of dragging.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Had it been a frivolous litigation,
Oh,
matter
yes.
right
But
to
she has
appeal
to
is there.
bear,
Right
she
to
is
appeal
bearing
is
all.
a statutory right. We cannot say
And-
anything on that.
Yes. So that is a other aspect. And so far, she is not permanently employed in lordship. If that permanently employed, the
Court of
honorable
Session,
Supreme Court also
24
held, my lord.
But only on the context that he is not having a source of income.
Yes,
On that
and
context,
permanently not employed.
no, not you. Mr. Mohanta's client,
Oh, yes.
that because of his health condition or otherwise, he the earlier job of computer repairing from door by door
And
to door.
contractor also, your lordship will find at page 84 of the judgment. At
84.
Parating.
No, that is your
Contract
submission.
work.
That is your submission. Is it a finding? Please read. That's not a finding.
Coming to the point of permanent alimony, the
Mm.
plaintiff has pleaded that defendant earns rupees so and so 80,000 computer service center, 2 tractors and contract work in various companies. Moreover, the defendant has landed properties at Borpeta Road in cross-examination of Pitoclip. It was necessary for the defendant to deny the claims made by the plaintiff. The defendant, on the other hand, pleaded that he suffered a road accident and he is undergoing medical care. He denied having the business as claimed by the plaintiff. The defendant admitted in his cross-examination that his father owns land at Nitanan Borpeta Road at Guwahati and one
Re-
three-story building at Jutinagar, Borpeta Road.
These are the submissions of you and their side. Father has some landed property. Can you burden the
But
father?
he's,
You cannot.
his economic financial status
Hmm.
is good so far.
So he
It's
doesn't
good
have a
enough.
permanent source of or a known source of income readily. His dependency of the father, his father's property, you cannot only from that context. Otherwise, 8 lakhs, we also think 8 lakhs is not an unreasonable amount
Yes,
at
yes.
all. But whether he is in a capacity to pay 8 lakhs.
That's the problem. She tried to find out this job, my lord, and so far she has to avail that SBI loan as well as a gold loan also for her survival.
As well as
Else one gold loan, my lord.
gold loan.
Yes, gold. That
on-
gold.
Have you put on record? No.
Uh,
You have said, SBI DIC you have said
oh yes, my lord. But
5 lakhs.
so far that gold loan, I have not put on record. But
Why
I,
your beauty parlor is not working?
due to lack of customers and so she got some trouble in that business due to lack of customers, my lord. But she made an effort. She made a sincere effort, pilot. She failed. So far, the permanently unemployed, my lord, in this regard, my lord, one Supreme Court judgment is also there. Yeah. That- Lordship, para 17, 18, my. 2011, 13, 16, 1. My lord, para 17, 18. It is relevant to point out that the status of the appellant before her marriage is also one of the relevant factors for determining the amount of maintenance. This is not in
Just a
this
minute, paragraph.
paragraph 17 and 18, my lord.
Just a minute, we need from Veer. Paragraph 16 and 18.
17 and 18.
Yes,
Lord.
please.
It's relevant to point out that the status of the appellant before her marriage is also one of the relevant factors for determining the amount of maintenance. It is noted in dispute that before her marriage with the respondent, she was working as a air hostess, so and after marriage, she resigned from the said post. Considering the condition prescribed in section 25 of the Act relating to claim of permanent alimony or maintenance, and the fact that the appellant is not permanently employed as on that and residing with her sister at Mumbai, taking note of the respondent's income from salary as senior commander in Air India, other properties standing in his name, age being 42 years, future employment prospects, and also considering the fact that the respondent married, having a child, and also to look after his parents, we feel that for the ends of justice, it would be made by fixing maintenance at the rate of rupees 40,000 per month instead of rupees 20,000. It was increased per month as fixed by the family court and affirmed by the High Court. The same shall be payable from the date of the application and continue to pay in terms of section 25.
Here, how is it relevant to you? Facts are wholly different. How is it relevant? They had a child before the marriage. She was working in a
So far, the
decent
permanently unemployed part.
category, air hostess of Cathay Pacific, and is resigned. How is it connected?
So far, permanently unemployed part might.
She had a child also.
Yes, he has no permanent employment, my lord. That is honest. She's trying to manage, my lord. She's trying to manage to get a job, my lord. And she has to, my lord. Otherwise, she cannot survive. Even with that rupees 8 lakhs also, she cannot survive throughout her life. She has to do something. And she is sure about that. But at the present context of time, my lord, 8 lakhs rupees.
Let us see your asset liability statement, Mr. Monta.
No, before that, my lord, I want to please one.
Just a minute. Mr. Bora, anything else?
Uh,
You'd like
This,
to-
this
Oh,
might,
okay, yes.
And before that, my lord, your lordship kindly see the claim petition of the, my lord, that petition of the wife, my lord, divorce petition, my lord. Divorce petition of the wife on own state, he has stated what she has stated. Your lord.
Page,
Page, my lord, 24. Page 24. Para 10 and 11, my. May I read it, my lord? Para 10 and 11, my.
yes, please.
Provided that on 11/10/2020, all the ceded property which the father of the petitioner was given to the time of marriage to the petitioner, he had taken by the petitioner from the house of the opposite party by executing a document receiving articles after mutual understanding between them and presence of the witness. Next, that the petitioner never claim demand any kind of properties movable, immovable, which is belong to the opposite party. In future also, the opposite party not raise any claim, demand, or any kind of properties, movable or immovable, which is belonging to the petitioner. In future, if any claim done after the party, either party, that such claim will not be enforced under the law. That is her statement, my lord.
Okay, but reading in which paragraph?
My lord,
Paragraph?
para 24, page 24, my lord, para 10 and 11 of the, my lord, my memo is.
Just a minute. No, this you cannot read this in isolation. You have to read this with paragraph 9. After making a permanent alimony claim of 20 lakhs, she will not have any future claim. That is the.
My lord.
In paragraph 9, she has made a very categorical statement that she is making a claim of permanent alimony of 20 lakhs. Thereafter, she may not make any future.
it is in terms of the
Oh, yes,
property.
para 9, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. I have not read the para 9, my lord.
That will not be proper.
Sorry, my lord. I have not gone to the
No, it
para
doesn't-
9, my lord. Just now, my lord, my junior, my lord, he's pointed out this para, my lord. I have not even taken up my asset and liability certificate. That is, my lord, I have filed 2 asset and liability certificate I have filed. That is, my lord, before the court below also I have filed, my lord. It is page 62, my lord. Page 62.
62.
And-
Yes, please. Your asset and liability, 62.
Actually, that is as part of format of the debt judgment.
Yes, yes. You have given another,
my lord.
you have given another.
Yes, another here, my lord, your lordship, very relevant is page 68, my lord.
You
Another,
have 4 numbers of bank accounts in different banks.
my lord, your lordship kindly see.
You don't have any income. Why 4 numbers of accounts?
That point of time, I was there before that, my lord. Your lordship kindly, I
4
have,
accounts.
my lord,
1 account is not enough to have your money.
probably, my lord, taking some loan more, my lord, maybe he has taken, my lord. Your lordship kindly see, I have, that statement also I have annexed, my lord. That I,
You have a PPF,
PPF.
in the State Bank.
State Bank of India,
1
where
fixed deposit. Okay, that is okay. 59,000. 4 numbers of bank account.
I have also fixed deposit of registration, 15, and I, and 4
But you
numbers
don't
of
have
bank
any
accounts
amount
that-
in those accounts. Only 500 rupee in the State Bank.
my lord.
Very good.
And I, in fact, my lord, I annexed to that. So while deciding, my lord, that permanent anomaly, these are not taken into account by the learned child court, the learned by the family court.
You're a graduate.
I am a graduate now, BA.
General income expenses of applicant. Medical bills, transportation, 12,000. That's it for.
So that is my only submission, and while deciding the, my lord, permanent anomaly, it has to be balanced, my lord. It has to be look in the both side, my lord, income and their position, my. There are all the judgment which was cited by my learned man in also that judgment was very clearly mentioned, my lord. It has to be looking at the both side, my.
So for the bank statements of last 3 years, that from the date of file, yes, it was. It is,
He says he's only got 500 rupees in SBI.
but statement of last 3 years, that was, but
You have not given bank statement, Mr. Mahanta.
it is not an,
It is statement.
it was not an, that statement.
It is
No,
mandatory under us,
Yes,
Mrs.
yes.
Neha.
3 years.
3 years.
Sorry, passport. I'm good. Oh, it is amount. Yes, yes, my lord, I have not annexed. If required, my lord, if your lordship says, my lord, I will supply, my lord.
We are not seeing. Honorable Supreme Court has said in
No.
fairness, Neha, not us.
But I have made a statement, my lord, that is my
No,
lord.
that's not enough. Why have you, this will go against you. You are not giving the bank statement before us. Of all the 4 banks.
If required, my lord, I have to file affidavit on that. But I made the statement on oath, my lord.
That is not enough. Rajneesh Neha has not said either on oath or simply it's not so difficult to have a bank statement for 3 years. আগত কাম কৰা বুলি স্কুলে গৈছিল 11,000 টকা পাইছিল সেই কামটো কৰি দিলে বহুত বেছি নহয় জানো মানে
It is that helpful. That was the affidavit filed before the court below, my lord. That affidavit was filed before the Planet Family Court.
family court.
Family Court.
No, obviously, because family court, this judgment, impugned judgment is of 12/8/2022,
22.
after Rajneesh. When was Rajneesh Neha? The
At
date?
21.
Date
Date,
of
my
the
lord.
judgment? 4?
Date of judgment, my lord.
4/11/21. 2020.
411. For November 2020.
1, 2,
4/11/2020.
What is the citation?
2021 to SCC. 324.
324. December, no. এইটো আচলতে মেইন পাৰ্পছটো আছে যে বেলেগ বেলেগ ফোৰামত বেলেগ বেলেগ মেইনটেনেন্সৰ কেছ কৰি থাকে সেইকাৰণে ডিসক্লোজাৰটো দিবলৈ কিবা আছে যদি আছে একেলগে শুনানি কৰি এইটোত 24ত বেলেগ দিলে 125ত বেলেগ দিলে পাৰ্মানেণ্ট সেইবিলাক দেন কোনো ধৰণৰ কনফিউজন নাহে সেইটো যে মেইন পৰা আৰু সেইটো দিওঁতে মানে অনুসংগিক হিচাপে হেৰিবিলাকৰ এছেট লাইবিলিটি টু কাম টু প্ৰপাৰ এছেছমেণ্ট
No. Affidavit. The photo. My lord, probably that my when you stage, my lord, in the court below, my lord, that
Bank statement.
certain bank statement is there in the record book.
Let us see. You check the record there, I cannot do it. There are 4 accounts.
Yes. That is as per the affidavit.
1 account in Swiss Bank also.
And that is probably not disclosed, my lord. Nine.
It may be there, we have not checked. Kindly check.
My lord,
Take his assistance.
just first. What will happen? Yeah, yeah.
But do they know how to check the LCR? How many files are there in the LCR? Are you aware? Yes.
Yes, lot of people there.
How many
Get a
files are there?
Get a pen, get a
How
pen.
many files are there in the LCR?
4, 5, 10.
What are the files? Do you know what are the name of the files? What files contains what? What are the names of the file? How is it numbered? What is the name? What is the, how do you identify a file? What is the name given? What is written above the file, on the top of the file cover?
File A.
File,
File A and
then
file C.
C, and after C, what is there? What is file C1? If I say that which file has got the evidence, which file? Which file has got the Hazira?
X.
Okay, try to get the asset liability. Hmm. 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 না হলেও নাথাকিলেও কিন্তু জানাটো উচিত কেতিয়াবা সময়টো লাগিব মইনো ক'ত কিমান কৰিছো তলৰ প্ৰেক্টিচ বহুত কম কৰি কিন্তু শিকাইছিলে আমাক মানে ইয়াতে আমাৰতো ৰেকৰ্ড চাব শিকাইছিল আচ্ছা এটা দি ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ও
Is there. File A.
what one of it yes what is there
Is there, my lord.
500 rupee Mr. Bora
Yes, it is telling, my lord. What? SBI. File A. I don't think you put it.
Not fine. Here it is reflected
So fixed deposit.
or FD with SBI. It's meant
That mentioned. Please tell you with how he mentioned.
amounts are like the different. FD to mention. Bank statements are there.
we'll check
Right. But put a teleco. Teleco. PPF statement. That's it.
Yeah.
Fixed deposit, HDFC. That's 120. Equity amount. Equity amount. Okay. Okay.
But-
50. All nine.
Statements of two banks are
Two banks.
SBI and HDFC.
How many banks were mentioned?
You,
Four banks.
four bank, my lord. Bank
SBI, SGSC.
of, Bank of India, Union Bank of India. These are two others.
No.
That what?
Actually, my lord, their language you will also yes, but they mentioned, my lord. I have four numbers of bank account: State Bank of India, HDFC Bank, Bank of India, Union Bank. And on those bank, my lord, they are fixed deposit. These are not probably yet.
It's up.
No, he has stated about a fixed deposit just before, above that.
My lord.
Assets and liability.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
I have also
Page
fixed
75. ma'am.
$75.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See the fixed deposit HDFC, we can understand 59,000. Then I have four numbers of accounts, bank account in State Bank. HDFC, you can
These are
assume that this for the fixed deposit and Bank of India and Union Bank.
point for that. These accounts are not given. Statement.
only, my lord. State
The LIC policy so far, the PPF, that State Bank of PPF, that is there. And HDFC Bank, this is 59,121 is there. But so far this bank account statements are
Only statement of SBI given.
that
State
is
Bank is
that
that
is in terms of the PPF only, ma'am.
No statement has been given.
Only PPF, LIC policy PPF
Bank statement, none.
Bank statement none.
That,
So far this point four
SBI,
is
my lord, it is public PPF account.
PPF.
Oh.
PPF account 64,000, my lord. That is mean, yes.
But so far for bank's account statement, it is not.
Okay.
Sorry.
Remember? Right, account. Right.
Banks not very well, any of this will. They have more DNA. যদি enhancement of any claim থাকে enhancement of claim পান কেউ যেতিয়া নেগেটিভ amount গোটেই বড় তাহলে ডিসকাস করা এটা আমার জন্য Okay, we'll check the record.
Hello.
Oh, very good. Heard. So, assisted by
You, sir.
U. Sharma. This is the Matter Senior Counsel, assisted by U. Sharma for the appellant. Also heard to D. Bora, learned counsel for the respondent. The LCR has been placed before us. Hearing is concluded. There's going to be the result. Yes. LCR or SB? LCR has have.
Parts of life.
W.
S to who department. বেলেগ বেঞ্চ হ'ব এইখিনি অকল 383 পৰাহে ল'ব ফাইনেল ডাইৰেকশ্যনছ আৰু এই ইনক্লুডাৰ্ছ খিনি বাকী দৰকাৰ নাই ইয়াৰ পৰা থৈ দিয়া হ'ব
Regarding this contempt lordship, the paper book furnished to us by earlier council have taken, but now there is a reshuffle in the office lordship. It is misplaced. We are not finding the paper book lordship.
I could have told this earlier, we'd have asked the office to make another paper book. Oh, it's slightly thick. You have the paper book?
We have to.
302.
30.
And to have some work done. They were also ready.
The report from the medical is also there. Earlier report was thought that is there in the order itself. He is treated after vacation.
We have to. But please, these are matters for which adjournment should not be taken. You should. You have a huge office, huge staff. Try, should get the paper.
All are reshuffle lordship and
While Sri D.K. Bhattacharya, learned counsel, there are 5 numbers of appellants.
5 numbers, sir.
Now
for
also I
the-
have inquired in the
One-
office.
One of them is died. One of them is died.
No, Sri D. Bhattacharya, D.K. Bhattacharya, learned counsel for the appellants at the outset has informed this court that the appellant number,
My lord, two, Sushil Bordoloi.
appellant number 2, Sushil Bordoloi has passed away in the meantime. Full stop. On the other hand, Mrs. A. Begum, learned APP, has submitted that due to certain reshuffle in the office, the paper book could not be readily traced out. And accordingly, she has prayed for for an adjournment. Para. Considering the above, the matter is adjourned to be listed immediately after the puja vacation.
Paper book maybe also.
You try to get a copy done.
Can it be in first week of November?
Oh,
No call.
List in the first week of November.
Thank you.
Don't say immediately, huh? After the puja vacation, as requested, list in the first week of November.
Sure.
For hearing. Item number.
16 and 17 subjects.
Hello. My lord. My lord, this man is behind the bar for six. My lord, before he speaks, my lord, I have already spoken with where his juniors were there, my lord. They said I should start, my lord. They'll come and join, my lord.
Here for whom? Mr. Kyle?
Mr. A. Somwa.
A. Samoa.
No, no, my lord, I'll appear. I'll do it.
Sorry
This is
for
the legal aid council, my lord. I'll do it. The next appellant is the legal aid council, my lord.
Okay. And who is for the respondent?
Respondent is there.
Mr. Kyle.
He is coming, Lord.
Okay. Can we start?
Yes.
Can we start? Can he begin?
Lord.
Now, my lord.
But don't take adjournment after hearing at a considerable length. Day before yesterday, we had a not too good experience. After we had spent around two hours. Thereafter, there was no representation.
Now, my lord. I will just, before your lordship takes up the paper book, my lord, I'll just narrate the basic fact and the issues that needs a determination in this case, my lord.
Not required. It's a criminal appeal. Go to the paper book. We are not on a writ petition. Knowing the facts, go to the FIR. Start from the FIR.
Now, my lord.
No story here.
Now,
yes, come to page 1.
My lord, page 1 is in it's not the FIR, my lord. Page 1.
Compliance.
It's an compliance under section 57. So, my lord, it would be, my lord, let me start with PW1, my lord, because this compliance and everything will come later, my lord. While preparing the paper book, they have wrongly probably annexed and closed the section 57. Now, my lord, PW1. On 13/9/2018, we were
page 6.
page 6. On 13/9/2008.
How did it start? Was there a report? Was there a complaint? How did it start?
My lord, it started in a NACA checking, my lord. Now, once.
Where is the report?
My lord, will kindly come to the Panchnama, because, my lord, NCB, they do not file FIR, they file complaint, my lord. So it started with the preparation of the Panchnama, which is prepared on the spot, my lord. There are
page.
Now, my lord, Panchnama is page 95. Panchnama.
What is exhibit 1?
My lord, exhibit 1 is the seizure list.
Let's see, exhibit 1,
Exhibit 1, page 92.
92. Okay, let's start from exhibit 1.
My lord. That is the seizure list, name and address, Deveshwar Boshumatari and Sajan Karki. Place searched, 61 ST SSB camp, Bhairab Kund, Assam. And these are the things which were, my lord, recovered. Ganja, Mahindra vehicle, Swift Desire, money, PAN card, RC and all other things. And page 93, the search started at 9:30 hours. That is 7:30 in the evening. And I got completed at 9:30 in the night on 13/9/2018.
Yes.
Now, my lord, the Panchnama at page number 95. Acting of information received from Sri Santosh Kumar, DC, SSB 61, BN, SSB, Bhairab Kunda, District, Udalguri, Assam, 13/9/2018 at about 9:30 hours, and that 900 chain has intercepted 102.500 kilogram ganja, that is in 17 packets, along with 2 persons, namely Deveshwar Boshumatari, son of so-and-so, village so-and-so, and Sajan Karki, 25 years, son of so-and-so, district so-and-so. The information so received was reduced into writing and was submitted to Sri Dilip Robidas, Superintendent NCB Guwahati Zonal Unit for necessary direction. After that, a team consisting of me, that is Foni Narjari, IO such and such, IO such and such, IO such and such, Sipo is such and such, Sipo is such and such.
I think at page 93, this should be 13/9.
Page,
Page 93.
page 93, it is 13/9, my lord.
No, it's written 13/3/2018, the first one. It should be 9, I think.
But in my paper book, it is 13/9.
No, the bold part. There are two 13/3, 13/9.
Oh, yes. The first one is, yes, it is typographical error. Yes.
Yes, okay.
After getting office order, the said team moved from NCB Guwahati office at 11:30 a.m. on 13/9/2018 and reached SSB 61 BN SSB Bhairab Kunda at 7 p.m. Then we approached Sri Santosh Kumar DC and introduced of our team was given subsequent. He narrated us the whole sequence of interception and handed over to me the recovered 102.500 kg ganja, that is 17 packets, along with 2 persons and 2 vehicles bearing registration number so-and-so, Mahindra, and so-and-so, Maruti Suzuki, and other items. Then I approached Sri Santosh Kumar, DC, SSB to arrangement 2 independent witnesses for such seizure procedure. The 2 independent witnesses arranged from SSB staff are Uttam Kumar, Inspector SSB, so-and-so, son of so-and-so, village so-and-so, Sri Marba Banga, ASI, SSB, so-and-so, permanent address so-and-so, my lord. At about 19:30 hours, presence of above witness, I have started search seizure. The procedure by open packet wrapped with white color polythene and taken out small amount of the brown color flowering top, believed to be ganja, 1 packet, and tested with drug testing kit bought with NCB team and found positive test of ganja. Other 16 packet also wrapped with the same white color polythene and covered with transparent polythene. Similarly, test was done for other packets also and found positive test of cannabis ganja. Then on reasonable belief that an offence has been committed under section 8C to be read with section 20B, subsection 2, clause capital C, read with 29 of the NDPS Act, all 17 packets of cannabis and other recovered items, documents were seized under section 43 of the NDPS Act, including 2 vehicles bearing registration numbers so-and-so and so-and-so, and amount of rupees
1,50,000. Then all 17 packets were marked as given P1 to P17. Each of the packets were then weighed with the help of digital weighing machine bought by the NCB team in the presence of the two independent witnesses and the two suspects. The weight of the packet were found as given below. This is the weight, my lord. And then the number of samples drawn and the weight of each sample. That is the list, my lord. The markings and the list. Now, these, my lord, original samples in original as well as duplicate samples, both were drawn. S1, S2, such and such, and D1, D2, such and such are duplicate sample. S1 are the original, D1 are the duplicate. All the 34 numbers of samples of flowering top believed to be ganja were kept inside envelope labeled and sealed with NCB brass seal number 4 and signatures of the suspect. The two independent witnesses and the seizing officers was taken on them after proper labeling. After drawing samples of, my lord will kindly mark this. After drawing samples of 17 packet with remaining contraband P1 to P7 were properly wrapped with marking cloth, showing labeled and sealed with NCB brass seal number 4 and signature of the suspect. The two independent witness and the seizing officer was taken on them after proper labeling. Rest of the items which were taken over from the SSB was kept in yellow polythene as detailed. These are the RC and other things. These are not the contrabands, my lord. So I'll skip, my lord. A test memo in triplicate was prepared on the spot and duly marked with NCB brass seal number 4 and signed by two independent witnesses, the suspect and seizing officer. The envelope marked as E1, M1, M2, K, B were also and sealed with brass seal number 4, properly labeled in the presence of the two independent witnesses and the suspect. The signature of the two independent witnesses, the suspect and the seizing officer were taken on all the envelopes E1, M1, M2, K. The search cum seizure process was complete about 9:30 p.m. on 13/9/2018 without causing any injury to any person and damage to any property. Then search cum seizure list was prepared on the spot at 61 SSB Camp Bhairabkund, Assam. Then one notice under section 67 of the NDPS Act was issued to the suspect Deveshwar Bostupatari, son of so-and-so, resident of so-and-so, for recording his voluntary statement on 13/9/2018 at about 9:40 p.m. Then one notice under section 67 of the NDPS Act was issued to suspect Sajan Karki, son of so-and-so, village so-and-so, for recording his voluntary statement on such and such at after 5 minutes. So this is the Panchanama, my lord. Now, my lord, the offense report, that's, my lord, what they say, charge sheet, the report of the NCB, page number 129. No, this is not 129. In fact, 129, because in the paper book, my lord, they have wrongly given the, this is page number 115.
Yes.
Recovery of 102.500 kg of ganja cannabis from the possession.
Complaint.
My lord,
This is the complaint.
this is the complaint. This is what this is. In had it been an IPC offense, we would have said it charged it a report under 173 at the end of the day. That on 13/9/2018, information was received from Sri Foni Narjari, intelligence officer NCB, from Sri Santosh Kumar DC SSB 69 Battalion SSB Bhairabkund district so and so at about 9:30 a.m. that 900 chain BOP SSB had intercepted 102.500 kg ganja, that is 17 packets, along with 2 persons, namely Deveshwar Bosumotari, son of so and so, resident of so and so, and Sitar and Sajan Karki, son of so and so, resident of so and so, with 2 vehicles bearing registration number so and so and so and so. The information so received was reduced into writing and was submitted to Sri Dilip Robidas, Superintendent of NCB Guwahati Zonal Unit, for necessary direction by Sri Foni Narjari, Intelligence Officer. After that, a team consisting of Sri Foni Narjari, Intelligence Officer, Sri Kuldeep Tomar, Intelligence Officer, Sri Tapan Singh, Intelligence Officer, Sri G. Momin, Tipoi, Sri Povitro Tetia, Tipoi, Sri Jugal Chandra Das, driver and Sri Rajesh Thapa, driver, was constituted. Sri Foni Narjari was authorized as the search cum seizing officer. 3. That after getting proper office order from Dilip Robida, Superintendent NCB, the said team moved from NCB Guwahati office at about 11:30 a.m. on 13/9/2018 and reached SSB 61 Battalion SSB Bhairav Kundo at about 7 p.m. After reaching there and contacting Deputy Commandant Sri Santosh Kumar SSB, he narrated the whole sequence of interception and handed over the recovered 102.500 kg ganja, that is 17 packets, along with the two suspects, Deveshwar Boshumotari and Sajan Kakoti, and the two vehicle wearing registration number so-and-so and so-and-so, and other items. Then Deputy Commandant Sri Santosh Kumar SSB was requested for two independent witnesses for the search seizure procedure, as the SSB are not empowered to investigate NDPS cases. That the two independent witnesses from SSB staff, my lord will kindly take note of this. The two independent witnesses were in fact the staff who have intercepted that. Page number 117. Page number 117. The first line, where para 4. The two independent witnesses are SSB staff. And SSB is the agency which have intercepted.
Whether they were present at the interception.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes. They are the person who have, my lord, that is why, my lord, just before going into the offense, my lord, just bear with me for 1 minute, my lord. I'll just give a brief background that will be, my lord, that will be easy for me to explain the case, my lord. What had happened, my lord, in this case, an interception was done at morning 3 a.m. on 13/9/2018 in the state of Arunachal Pradesh, while the SSB Sashastra Seema Bal were in a Naka checking. In Arunachal Pradesh, at 3 a.m. in the morning, they intercepted two vehicles. After intercepting,
Where was the interception done?
in Arunachal Pradesh, in a place called Angling More. Angling More is the place where the interception was done in the state of Arunachal Pradesh.
But what is 92? Let us say 92.
92.
Yes.
Yes. Now, my lord, I have just, my lord, let me just complete the sentence. My lord, I understood, my lord, what your lordship will be indicating. It was intercepted in Angling More at 3 a.m. Then the SSB team, they have bought the entire contraband along with the suspect vehicle to Udalguri district in Bhairav Kundo in their base camp, which is 47 kilometers away from the place of interception. There, this seizure list was prepared. That is at Bhairav Kundo base camp. The seizure list was prepared at a place which is at a distance of 47 kilometers
from where,
yes,
are you making the submission?
Yes, it is from the evidence of the PW, because I'll read the evidence of PW 1 to 7. That is an admitted position of fact, even they are not contradicting. They have bought it from Arunachal Pradesh, Angling More, to Bhairav Kundo, where their base camp was, because SSB, Sashastra Seema Bal, does not have the power to investigate cases under NDPS Act. Therefore, my lord, they bought it to their base camp. In the morning, they reached their base camp. They called NCB Guwahati. NCB Guwahati reached from Guwahati at 7 p.m. that very day in the evening. At 7:30, this search started. The search got completed at 9:30 in the evening on that very day. And that is how the seizure list was made. The Panchnama was drawn. These were not drawn at the place of the interceptions. These were drawn at a place which is 47 kilometers away from the place of interception. That is the seizure list, my lord. Now, my lord.
What is 900 chain?
900 chain is the, my lord, place where they were doing this Naka. The Naka checking, because they have all these coordinates, these geographical coordinates, 900 chain. Now, some of this 900 chain is, my lord, for us, my lord, we can understand it as a, their check post numbers. 900 chain is their check post number. Now, my lord, may I go to the prosecution witnesses, my lord? And then, my lord, I'll take your lordship to the relevant exhibit.
Just a minute. Acting of information received from so. Is 95 এর গম্যতা কিন্তু
হ্যাঁ?
5 নম্বর ফার্স্ট প্যারাগ্রাফ টু acting of information একটু ইংরেজিতে কিভাবে লিখে ফুল দুজন acting of information received from আমরা এসএসবি বেস ক্যাম্পের উপর ফোন করেছে ডিস্ট্রিক্ট উদালগুড়ি at 9:30 hours that 900 chain has intercepted নটা ট্রেস বাজার বেস ক্যাম্পের উপরে এনসিবি খবর দিছে আর তখন এনসিবি এই দিনে আপোনাৰ 7:30 গৈ পাইছে আৰু আৰম্ভ কৰিছে কিন্তু actual interception to is 900 chain 900 chain to 46 kilometer তাতে হল এটা কি কি প্রসিডিউর এটা করব লাগিব আনিব মানে অনেক বেশি সব ক্ষেত্ৰত is it possible তুমি suppose যদি জঙ্গলৰ মাজত কিবা এটা পালে এতিয়া নিয়ম মতে তো যদি মেজিষ্ট্ৰেট ডেভেলপ কৰিব লাগিব কিন্তু নোৱাৰিলে কি কৰিব এইটো ৰিচেট হ'ব জানো yes what are you trying to show page
So now, my lord, I'll start with the PW1. I'll start with the prosecution witness. My lord, in this case, my lord, if I may just submit, my lord, for a while, my lord.
yes
In this case, the prosecution has failed.
yes
My lord, if I understand, my lord, the sine qua non to entail a conviction under NDPS Act, my lord, there are two basic things which they'll have to prove. Number one, that the articles recovered are contraventions under the NDPS Act.
yes
And they'll have to prove that the said articles were recovered from the possession of the accused. And they'll have to prove this within the four corners of the NDPS Act and the rules and the law laid down by the different judicial pronouncements. In this case, my lord, they have failed to prove that the articles seized were ganja. The basic thing is lacking in this case. My lord, with that end in view, my lord, I'll read the prosecution witness. PW1, page 6. PW1 happens to be an ASI, page 6, my lord. On 13/9/2018, we were engaged in Naka checking at Angling Moor at around 3 a.m. in the night. At that time, we noticed two vehicles, namely one Bolero pickup van and one Maruti Swift Desire car were proceeding from Arunachal to Assam border. On seeing those two vehicles, we signaled to stop the vehicle. The vehicles were stopped. On suspicion of carrying some contraband article, we checked the vehicles and found several packets of suspected cannabis inside both the vehicles. We also found cash amount of rupees 1,50,000 from the possession of the accused person. Then we bought the vehicles along with the recovered suspected ganja and cash amount to our main camp. Then the suspected cannabis ganja were weighed in my presence and found 105 kg of contraband ganja and which had been carried in the two vehicles. The recovered suspected ganja was seized along with the vehicle and cash amount in my presence, and I put my signature in the seizure list. Exhibit 1 is the seizure list of 102.5 kg of suspected ganja. Now, my lord, he says 105 kg seized, and he signs a seizure list where 102.5 kg of suspected contrabands were there. Mahindra vehicle number such and such, Swift Desire number such and such, cash amount of 1,50,000, registration number, registration certificate, PAN card, driving license, envelope containing Samsung mobile, ignition key. Exhibit 1 is my signature, Exhibit 2 is Panchnama. Exhibit 2 is Panchnama, Exhibit 2(1), 2(2), 2(3), and 2(4) are my signatures, now crossed by defense. Angling Moor is approximately 47 kilometers away from Bhairav Kunda. When we brought the accused person along with the vehicle to our headquarters, our Deputy Commandant of SSB Santosh Kumar was present. At that time of Naka checking duty, Deputy Commandant of SSB Santosh Kumar was not present with us. At the time of incident, I was acting as ASI of SSB. Since before the incident, I had been engaged in Naka checking at Anglingmore checkpost. I do not remember the name of the other SSB staff who were on Naka checking duty along with me on the checkpost on the day of occurrence. Both the vehicles had been searched by the other SSB staff who were present with me. I do not remember as to what quantity of cannabis ganja had been recovered exactly from both the cars. The place where the vehicle were intercepted on the road can enter into Bhairab as well as Shikaridang near Masbad by two different routes. Now I cannot remember the face of the accused person present in the dock. My lord will kindly mark that, my lord. He has failed to identify the accused person in the dock. Why I am making this submission, my lord? Because he is the only person who was present at the time of interception at that Naka checking. None of the other prosecution witnesses were present at the time of interception. He is the only one. And he denies. He says that the face of the accused person present in the... I cannot remember the face of the accused person present in the dock to say exactly whether they were apprehended by us on the day of occurrence. We recovered cash amount of 1,50,000 from the toolbox of Swift Desire vehicle. I do not know which of the accused was driving, which of the vehicle intercepted by us. It is not a fact that on the day of occurrence, we had not recovered and seized contraband ganjas along with two vehicles and cash amount from the possession of accused. We now and then recover and seize contraband ganjas from other persons, and we hand over such person to our superior authority. It is not a fact that today I had deposed falsely in the court against the accused person. For the interest of my department, the seizure list was prepared at our company headquarters at 900 Chain. So, my lord, what emanates from the evidence of PW1 is that, my lord, the interception was done in Anglingmore, which is in Arunachal Pradesh. Then 47 kilometers, these ganja along with these vehicles were bought 47 kilometers down at their base camp. And my lord, he was the only person who...
As he stated, Anglingmore is in Arunachal.
Yes, my lord, I'll go to the subsequent witnesses. It is there.
No, it doesn't matter whether Naka checking can be done in state of Assam, state of Arunachal
My lord,
Pradesh.
I can understand the territorial jurisdiction issue, my lord. But my lord, to my understanding, my lord, if the issue of jurisdiction ought to have been raised at the first point of time.
No, we are on the not on the we are on the aspect of the SSB checking. Naka checking can be done either in the state of Assam or state of... It's not confined to the state of Assam. That's what we are saying.
Yes, my lord. SSB such receivable there. Basically, this department was made, my lord, in order to guard the borders, my lord. Especially in the state of Arunachal Pradesh, my lord. SSB receivable. Now, PW2, my lord. I know the informant, I know the accused person present in the dock. Page 8, I am reading, my lord. I know the informant, I know the accused person present in the dock. On 13/9/2018, I was at battalion headquarters at Bhairab Kunda. So, my lord, this is important. Therefore, he was not present at the time of interception. He was at the battalion headquarters at Bhairab Kunda. At around 3 a.m. in the night, I received one wireless message from our company BOP 900 chain at Angling area, where our staff were engaged in Naka checking duty being led by Inspector Uttam Singh of SSB. That they detained two vehicles along with two persons who were coming from the Arunachal Pradesh side, carrying huge quantity of suspected cannabis inside the vehicle. At about 5 a.m., I informed my battalion commandant, Pramod Kumar Agarwal, as the quantity of the suspected cannabis was recovered by our company at 900 chain in Angling area. So I was advised to take up the matter with the Office of the NCB Guwahati. Accordingly, I informed the matter to Phony Nursery, Office of the NCB posted at Guwahati regarding the matter. He informed me that officers from NCB, including himself, would come to the place of occurrence. So at about 4 p.m., officers from NCB, including Phony Nursery, came to our battalion. In the meantime, the patrolling company who recovered the suspected ganja brought the same to battalion headquarters along with the 2 vehicles. Thereafter, the officer of the NCB started the process of weighing the suspected contraband ganjas and seized the same along with the vehicle after taking samples thereof. My lord will kindly mark this, my lord. After taking samples thereof, then the measurement was done. The accused persons were taken into custody by the NCB for us. We found 17 packets containing cannabis from the 2 vehicles being driven by the accused person. The place of occurrence fall under the territory of Arunachal Pradesh. The place of occurrence is about 40 kilometers from our battalion headquarters. Situated at Bhairabkunda, whereof the accused persons were apprehended along with the suspected contraband ganjas. I do not know who were present in the Naka checking duty belonging to our battalion. The headquarters of BOP chain is situated at Arunachal Pradesh. It is not a fact that on the date of occurrence, no suspected contraband cannabis has been recovered from the possession of the. So, my lord, what the basic thing which comes out from his evidence is that he is basically a hearsay evidence regarding interception, regarding the accused carrying the ganja. As far as the fact that the accused were found carrying the ganja, as far as this fact is concerned, he is in here because he was at the battalion 40 or 47 kilometers down. So his evidence will not prove that the accused were in fact carrying the contraband, which, my lord, I will, in my course of submission, I will show, demonstrate, are not ganja at all. PW 3. I know the informant of the, my lord, page 10, my lord. But there are also small discrepancies, my lord, but I am not placing much. Like he said 4 p.m. the NCB reached, NCB said 7 p.m. they have reached, my lord. My lord, in an NDPS case, my lord, I'll not put reliance on all those. Page 10, PW 3. I know the informant of the case as well as the accused person present in the dock. On 13/9/2018, I was present at border outpost camp at 910 in Anglingmore area doing Naka checking duty. At the time of Naka checking duty being led by myself, we divided the patrolling party into 2 segments to cover the area. While we were conducting patrolling duty, the other Naka checking group managed to apprehend the accused person who were coming in 2 vehicles from Arunachal Pradesh side carrying huge quantity of ganjas in food. He was not there. He was there in the Naka checking. He was leading the Naka checking team. The Naka checking team was divided into 2 groups. The other group recovered it. He was not a member of the group which has allegedly apprehended, intercepted, or recovered.
No, see, making this a kind of submission may not help you because Marba Bagra was there at the time of interception. Whether there are 2 groups, 3 groups, how does it matter? All persons are not expected to be at the time. One person has come, Marba Bagra, the PW1.
He has said
he had intercepted.
No, he has said he doesn't know me.
No, he has intercepted.
But whom he has intercepted, he could not recognize me in the door. His statement is more damaging, my lord. He straight away says, I don't know this gentleman who. They will have to connect the accused with the interception. He is the only man.
He was intercepted at a place called
Anglingmore.
Anglingmore.
Yes.
The Naka party was divided into 2 as per the version of PW3. One party which was led by Marba Bagra had intercepted.
Intercepted 2 persons.
Marba Bagra says that I do not remember the faces of the persons in the dock.
Yes.
While coming from the place of Anglingmore to the base camp, all the parties came together.
Yes.
You cannot just choose one part of the evidence and say that since the person who had intercepted does not know the face, so we'll go by that. What about the other?
None were, my lord, let there be one witness. One, the quality matters, not the quantity. One witness who was present at the time of interception, because my lord, at the end of the day, the accused will have to be connected with the ganja. One, I'm not saying multiple. One person who let him depose that I was present and these people were there on that day. There is none. Only one person was present. My lord, what was the harm? Why did they withhold the other team members? Why they have examined only one team member of that group? They have only examined one. PW1 is the singular team member of that group who failed to identify. It was their people. They could have produced. Adverse inference can be taken.
No, in the chief, he did not say that he did not remember the face. It is in the cross-examination.
My lord,
Now
in
he
the
cannot say that why others are not. He was found to be the competent witness.
yes,
Somehow he had made a statement that he is not being able to recognize the face.
yes, he has not been able to recognize the face. In chief, my lord, if I read his chief, my lord, PW1, yes, PW1
He says, now I cannot remember the face.
yes, my lord, in his chief, he
If
says,
the main person who was in the Naka was examined, why do you need to multiply the number of
My lord,
witnesses?
my lord.
Because it cannot be expected that in the cross-examination,
my lord,
he will take a stand that he doesn't remember the face.
my lord,
The
I am,
principal witness.
my lord, what had fallen from your lordship, my lord, I'll just try to explain in this way, my lord, I am not even suggesting that there has to be more than one witness. What I am saying is that let there be one unimpeachable witness. Now, my lord, in chief of PW1, he
Yes.
has even not named the present accused person. He said two persons. My lord, in a NDPS case, my lord, where the provisions are stringent, my lord, the strictness of proof has to be more stringent, my lord. He does not name. He said two. Who are these two persons?
From the possession of the accused persons.
Accused person. He does not remember the name. He does not name them. Here he said, I don't know them.
No, he says, I do not remember the face.
Face of the face.
He says accused person.
So, my lord, that these
Then we brought the vehicle along with the recovered so-and-so from the possession of the accused person.
accused person.
Accused, who are the accused? Is there any other accused?
Now, my lord, it is for the prosecution to explain.
Okay, we'll consider that.
Because, my lord, let there be one witness, one unimpeachable witness, my lord, matter ends there. But, and moreover, my lord, he says he has 105 kilos. My lord, we need not go into all these things in this case. This case, my lord, I can finish it off this case within 50, because, my lord, the ganja, it is a ganja. They could not prove that this is ganja. This is ganja or apple or orange. It has not been proved in this case. My lord, I'll go straight
No
away to that.
examination done.
No.
No forensic examination.
No forensic report, no FSL report exhibited. The the FSL expert doesn't say it is ganja. I am surprised how 6.5 years this man is in custody. My lord, I'll take straight away your lordship to the FSL report, my lord. I'll hammer on the my lord, on the most important point of this case, my lord. My lord will kindly come to the evidence of PW4. That is why, my lord, I said, because this matter will be, my lord is there at page number 12. Page number 12.
Just a minute, please.
They could not prove that these were ganja.
Page 12.
Page 12. Gajendranath Deka. He is the man from the FSL.
Yes, please.
My lord. On 15/9/2018, when I was posted as Joint Director, Drugs and Narcotic Division Director of Forensic Science, Assam, Kahilipara, wide memo number such and such, dated 13/9/2019, I received one parcel per messenger. My lord, just two things your lordship will note. The parcel was received per messenger, that is through a messenger. And the parcel was sent on 13/9/2019, the memo, the sending, 13/9 per messenger, and he received it on 15/9/2018. In connection with NCB crime number 16/2018, the parcel consists of 17 exhibits enclosed in a seal envelope cover. The facsimile of the seal was found to be Narcotic Control Bureau 04. 3 sealed envelope marked as S1 to S7 containing 25-gram dry plant material, each marked as, my lord will kindly take note this. The exhibit that was received, DN 488/2018 A1 to DN 488/2018 A17 respectively.
Yes.
What is the result of the examination? The exhibit DN 246/21/2014 A to 246/214 gave positive test of cannabis. These are which exhibit? Which case he is referring to? Some 2014, some exhibits pertaining to some case of 2014 kept in the FSL. He has tested those and given this report.
No, it is 2014 or 18 is not the year, because see, your it was sent on 2000. When was the incident?
2018.
13/9/2018. It was sent when?
My lord, my lord, for the
13/9/2018.
time being, my lord, not on the date when it was sent. I am on the exhibit numbers that was received by them. The exhibit numbers that were received by them
What is the
were marked
difference of the numbers.
17 exhibits number 488/2018. These are the exhibit numbers of this case. A1 to DN 488/2018 A7. 17 number of exhibits, original samples were sent. And the result pertains to some DN number 246 of 2014 A to C. Three samples of some 2014, some 246 number. In fact, the matter ends here itself.
Oh, the report.
Now, my lord, the next part of his evidence.
Just a minute.
My lord. So, my lord, this was in English only because his signature appears. So, there is translation mistake won't be there.
You're not correct.
What? This is
You
there.
have, you have the report here. There is no description, the discrepancy in the
My
report.
lord, I will come. My lord,
It's a simple error on typing.
my lord, I'll come to that.
We are sorry that the learned court also did not see. There is no discrepancy.
My lord, no FSL report was exhibited. How can I?
It is there.
No, my lord. My lord will just. My lord, I'll.
You are very well. I have the liberty to take the other ground, but this appears to be a error apparent on the face of it, and we are certainly surprised that this has not been noticed.
Now, my lord, the FSL report, my lord, which is there, I have also found some FSL report here in my paper book. This FSL report was never exhibited. This FSL report was never exhibited. FSL report याते कुठे exhibit कुठे? नाही करा सर. No. No. Now, my lord.
Just a minute, please.
My
Description. It is 17 envelope. You just see again, come to page 12.
Yes.
Page 12, the first paragraph.
Yes.
The parcel contains 17 exhibits.
Yes.
Enclosed in a sealed envelope.
Yes.
Facsimile of the seal was found to be NCB.
Hmm.
Description of the article, 3 sealed envelopes.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
How many sealed envelopes are there?
Three seal.
No, how many were there?
17 exhibits were there
In one
a
sealed
sealed
envelope.
envelope cover.
One sealed envelope.
One sealed envelope cover.
3 sealed envelope, S1 to S17. Containing 25 gram.
Yes.
So and so. This has got nothing to do with the description. It's got nothing to do with the examination done.
Yes, my lord. Absolutely, my lord.
No, in his while recording this part, because see this he cannot give without any this as a witness. He has to rely on the document. Document is something else.
My lord.
17 numbers of sealed envelope marked as S1 to S17.
Yes. That is precisely he is not proving his own document.
No, the description of article is এখানে দুটো এখানে বেলেগ বস্তু করে দিচ্ছে এখন।
And my lord, the document which your lordship is looking at the record, my lord, that document was never exhibited. There is some marking exhibit 3. It is only some marking is there. It was never exhibited.
Okay, we'll come back. For 1 week or maximum 2 weeks. Ask him to come. Otherwise, we don't want to unnecessarily spend time, either his time or our time. Ask him to, will he be able to come?
Today, I think it's not possible for him. So he has matters in court number 17 also.
This is not fair to him.
Yes, sir.
Apart from the preparation, what submission he has made, we have recorded his submission. He's trying to make out a point. That is why at the beginning we had again told that don't start and say that we'll be seeking adjournment. And in fact, he waited for some time. We don't want to stop in the midway. We want to continue, but just ask him whether he'll be able to come or not. No point hearing he spending his labor just for nothing.
But yesterday night at 12 o'clock, I went from my chamber preparing this case.
It will not go waste. At some point of time, it will come into, maybe if not today, then tomorrow.
My lord, I'm just putting, my lord, the brief aside, my lord, your lordship would appreciate 2 things, my lord, in this case. My lord, your lordship should appreciate 2 things in this case. One is that the expert from the
Tomorrow, my sister colleague is going outside, only 2 matters. Next Monday also not possible. We'll go after the vacation. Try to inquire if you want to complete, we'll complete it today. No, she has gone.
They have gone, my lord.
Yes, what were you trying to say?
My lord will appreciate two vital pieces of evidence in this case. My lord, what has been seized, according to them, is ganja. Now, there is one piece of document in the record, my lord, which your lordship has perused. That piece of document was never exhibited in the trial. No one exhibited that piece. My lord will kindly see. My lord will come to that piece of document which your lordships were reading, my lord. That is at page number 100 of the paper.
That is what is a matter of concern. See, to be very
frank with the records, see, FSL officer or any, for that matter, any official witness will not depose from his memory. He will depose from the records. And he is an officer who does countless numbers of examination. He cannot remember case to case and what was the amount. He'll see the report, he'll verbatim say the report. Unfortunately, the report, though seems to be mentioned in his deposition, has not been marked, has not been proved. But how was the recording made?
My lord, this is just the tip of the iceberg. This is just the, your lordship, my lord, I'll just sum it up in 3-4 lines. It is just tip of the iceberg. My lord, when did the sample reach to the FSL in this case? It reached on 15th of September 2018. My lord, the record is before your lordship. On the last occasion when this matter was listed, I checked the record. With folded hands, my lord, your lordship will just read.
Mr. Kyle, is it not possible for today to come? No, we are not. But we don't want to make it part-heard, or because this is a temporary bench. Tomorrow, my sister colleague will not be there. Monday also she'll be joining late. Next week we do not know what will be. And I think single bench matters will be given more importance. And this is trying to make out a point, important point, that he says that the materials itself are not produced in accordance with law. And it seems that he has got a point. We have not expressed our opinion.
No, definitely a plain field or some point. I'll reply. Okay.
Apart from the identity of the two accused, that's a different matter. He says the materials were not even proved.
Everything is before law. So we will decide after saying.
No, whether we take up or not, but that's a very important point. PW4 is the star kind of a witness. FSL of
As per the materials by me, initially SSB met a they did some contraband at the border of Arunachal Pradesh. Then they wrote before the SP official.
No, we know about that.
Thereafter,
Just listen to us. These material contraband, where ultimately it has to be given for testing. It was done. The report, we have found a report says that positive test for cannabis. He comes to the witness box SPW4. He deposes. But while describing the materials, there is another description, something else. Those are not even the samples. And unfortunately, Mr. Kyle, unfortunately, the report is in the records which has not been executed. The report there is no flaw. We do not find any flaw in the report. At least material flaw which appears on the face of it. Some other exhibits are marked. And this is what has been stated in the court. But at the same time, can we remain mute spectators?
no, lordship, definitely.
At the same time, he has a right. That is only on materials which are proved in accordance with law.
Yes, lordship, that is there, lordship.
But how do you balance?
I cannot improve my case also if there is some.
But why? See, just now I had put to Mr. Biswas one question. That this FSL officer, however he has said, he cannot say it's from his memory. It is from the record.
Yes, Lord. Description of the article 3 sealed envelope marked as S1 to S17 containing 25 grams type material is marked here as DN number 22 to DN.
These are different numbers. These are not the articles sent to him. This is a very significant point. If this goes, nothing will remain. Nothing will remain. He doesn't have to even argue on any other aspect.
Definitely, Lord. Definitely.
You check the records. We have found a report. It's very disturbing. His original FSL report is there in the records, not exhibited. And if it is not exhibited, what is the evidentiary value? There may be hundreds of reports.
Definitely, if it is not exhibited.
It's gone. It is no evidentiary value. And same officer, had it been that some other predecessor or some successor comes, same Mr. What is his name?
Gajendranath
Gajendranath Deka. He was the one who had done the examination. He had come to depose. He says everything, but recording is something else.
principal at the subsequent.
You check the records.
And-
See, these are offenses of serious nature.
Yes, Lord.
At the
Yes.
same time,
But see,
the
I'll
more
not,
stringent the offense, the
I'll
more
not argue
stringent
over-
is your procedure.
I'll
That is
not
the
ar-
law.
I'll not argue anything which is contrary to the record. I'm here to assist your Lord. If there is defect, Lordship, I cannot remove or I cannot improve.
And he is behind bars for quite some time.
If fact remains that the London trial court has gone through it, there may be some defects also. If he's make out a case, then definitely will be entitled to a
Not
case.
some defects. Just see this.
No, Lordship,
On the basis of this, this is the main, whether it was the exhibits were proved to be narcotics, contraband. And the items which have been shown are not matching with the exhibits or the samples.
My lord, may I just add one line? My lord will kindly peruse the order dated 3010. It is in the record of the
Of
trial
this
judge.
court.
Of the trial judge,
What-
3010.
What has been said?
On 3010, that is 47 days from the date, 41 days. After 41 days from the date the samples were received in the FSL, a prayer was made before the trial judge for drawal of samples. Now, which is the sample which went to FSL? It is there in the record. After 41 days,
No, we did not go into those aspects. We straight away go to the aspect which was sent, the sample which were sent, and the description of the sample which is fine.
then there, at that point, that is precisely my lord my argument. But that clarifies that the samples were never sent to them.
Vacation deferred, but the date is not due. How long are you behind the bars?
6 years.
20 years of conviction.
No. 12 years.
12 years. What was the finding?
My lord,
On basis of what?
finding on the basis of my lord, once this discrepancy was there, how it was dealt by the trial judge, my lord. The trial judge says that the sample gave positive test, and I am convinced by looking at exhibit 4. Now, my lord, goodness gracious, exhibit 4 is absolutely something else. Exhibit 4 is a forwarding letter. It is not an FSL letter. He says that I am convinced by going through exhibit 4. I have highlighted that particular finding of the learned trial judge. If I may read, it is 4-line observation.
99, page 99 of paper.
Paper book.
Yes.
Yes, what is this?
Is the fiscal report, exhibit 3.
That is what your lordship has seen, what your lordship has perused until now. That was not exhibited before the court.
99.
Yes, page 9.
It is written exhibit 3, but no witness has exhibited it.
Yes, this, yes, who has exhibited?
That type of paper,
No
but
one.
as per privacy, because this is a part of paper book. Here it is written exhibit 3/1, 5/9/2019. It is written here.
No, this has to be exhibited by the officer,
No, that is definitely Lord.
nobody else.
I have not gone through that judgment, but privacy. So looking up the paper book, Lord.
Just a minute, just a minute. Just
My lord may come to page 90.
we may get something, just a minute.
Page 90, my lord, the list is given. Who has exhibited what? Page 90. Who has exhibited what is
Just a
in
minute,
page 90.
Just a minute. Go ahead. Who has exhibited as per page 90?
Page 90, my lord, it was exhibited by PW3, according to the learned trial judge.
PW3,
3.
PW3, we have his statement.
Yes, PW3.
After two, there is no exhibit.
Yes, that is precisely. How could this exhibit, how could that paper at page number 100 be attributed to PW3? He has not exhibited this.
My report was forwarded.
Exhibit 3 is attributed to PW3. And PW3 statement, your lordship will find at page number.
Huh?
Yes, according to the trial judge, PW3 has exhibited. My lord will see page number 90. That is what precisely I was telling. Page 90, that is the part of the judgment.
Marking hole, marking on full only. 3231.
99. 99. Exhibit 3. Exhibit 3. 3-1 is my signature. It is 4 over 9, 3 over 8. So 4 key over it.
4 is the forwarding report. 4 is signed by director.
It recording code full course. The full course recording code. Right. Yes, my report forwarded by the then director. Then exhibit 3 is my report, 3-1 is my signature. Then where is the 5? What is exhibit 5? So sequence to bodily goal.
The notice.
Sequence to bodily goal. How many exhibits are there?
My lord, there are as many as
19.
19 exhibits.
Now documentary exhibits.
That is documentary exhibits, no material exhibits, nil. Page number 91, my lord will see.
এই to গন্ডগোল তো হল এইটা পাইছি page 13 চাও page 13 চাও 5 আৰু 5-1 শেষ হৈছে তো then you come to page 16 16 mother part of exhibit 5 is the authorization letter দুটা exhibit 5 is. But even if we correct this or deem it to be in a proper manner, what will happen to the description of the articles?
Lordship, page,
That will not change.
no, Lordship, please to see that exhibit 3, page 99.
Yes, we have seen that.
Description and result,
Yes.
similar.
No. Here. At
In
page 12.
in evidence.
12 and 99. Just compare 12 and 99.
Lordship,
Page 12 and page 99.
yes, there is a difference.
Huge difference.
But in FSL report, the description is same.
FSL, yes, in the first part of this deposition, everything is, while describing the article, something else has come.
Yes, Lord, that is, but in the report, Lordship, it is missing. Page
And he
90.
does not say about 3-1. He says about 4. Exhibit 4, page 13. Okay, but
The evidence was recorded and laid in very careless manner. If you can.
will not like to comment on those.
No, Lord, apparently it's look like.
My lord, there was a provision under section 165 of the Evidence Act, read with.
Okay, but we have to agree upon a date.
Lordship,
Excellent.
that will, right, that is.
Not today, whenever it's fixed, you try to see from the original records whether that forensic officer's report has been marked. In the paper book, it's marked as exhibit 3. Okay, let us, for the time being, assume that there is some mistake in marking, but original has to be marked same, say, exhibit 3,
My lord.
whether it's marked or not.
My lord, my lord, I'll just try to clarify that point, my lord.
এটা original, the original will-
But this is a photocopy. Paper book, all the documents are photocopy of the original record.
No, not of the paper book, in the original record.
No, no, Lordship. Photocopy.
It is xerox from the original. Paper proof is prepared by registry.
Original records cannot be photocopy.
No, no, Lordship, the paper.
Paper book, you're not concerned. No, paper book, we find that it has been marked exhibit 3, the signature is 3-1 of the officer.
Yes.
So there has to be, since it's a photocopy.
Yes.
In the original.
Yes, 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 we can.
Original, we have not straight away found, we have found that letter, but those signatures are not there. Neither any marking is there.
But Lordship was prepared by the office. That is, then we have to find out.
It will be maybe photocopy नहीं, office पे तो direct बनेगी.
Lordship में direct the registry from where they.
यार टूल पे certificate. Something.
Yes, yes, it's available.
It's there.
Other one is a photocopy.
Yes.
I mean copies,
Copy.
not the, but the original is.
Wait, signature नहीं रहा.
My lord,
It was in fact exhibited as 3 and 3-1.
Three and
Somehow in recording, that goes, but still it will not cure the description of the articles.
Yes, that.
You'll have to take help of some citation.
I'll find out.
How do you reconcile in such a manner? So you agree upon a date.
My lord, before Lordship closes, my lord, since my learned friend is present in the other side, I'm in the second matter.
Yes.
last matter.
Yes.
I'm in the legal aid counsel for
Yes.
this. My lord, if Lordship can come, turn to page, my lord. 6. This is the person, Mr. Bagra. It seems, my lord, he did not sign. It is just his name written in capital letter in the left side, in page 6. And in page 8, my lord, it is a main person who informed everything to this NCB, Mr. Santosh Kumar, Deputy Commandant.
Oh,
He
yes.
did not sign.
somebody else have signed.
He signed Mr. Dhaniram Gaur.
That
It's a
was-
state in page 8, my lord.
No, he has signed as this. Bagra has signed. Many persons signed.
My lord, I'm showing many persons signs, but here, my lord, 2 persons signed in capital letter.
Yes, it can be done. No problem.
But my lord, this page 8, my lord.
Page 8 is really shocking. I have also seen it.
Dhaniram,
My lord, it is signed by some Dhaniram Gaur. It is a statement of Mr. Santosh Kumar. Page 8 and 9, my lord. These are all perfunctory way, my lord. And page 10 from Uttam Kumar Singh. This is his
PW2
capital number.
PW2. Okay. Exhibit level.
How, my lord, I don't understand whether it can be relied upon now
Correct.
by this court because it has been signed by the person who deposed. Page 8,
Just 8, you may have a point.
PW6.
PW2.
PW2, my lord.
PW2.
ধনীরাম কর।
নাই, 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 নাই।
নাই মানুহে নাই ধনীরাম কর।
এইটো পাব। কেতিয়াও কেপিটেলত চাইন নকৰে। এনেই লিখ। তাৰ চাইনটো ল'ম বুলি ভাবিলে নললে। কাৰণ
No. We have seen many people. They signed.
my lord, in Uttam Kumar Singh also signed in
Yeah,
capital.
Yes, it can be done. But this is a point. This Gaur is not a witness even.
It's not a witness, my lord, and it is, even if he is a witness, he signed on the statement of Santosh Kumar. That cannot be accepted. My respect.
Take years of somebody's life is gone.
Hard. Yes, tell us a date.
Can you take as per convenience?
Third. 3 ambitious learned council. for in the criminal appeal number so and so, as well as H. Hama, learned counsel appearing, learned legal aid counsel for the connected criminal appeal number so and so, huh? Para? No, don't say hard. Do Sri so and so are present, comma Sri S.C. Kyle, learned counsel, standing counsel, NCB.
Look.
Has paid for some accommodation. Full stop.
My lord, can my bail be considered? My lord, there is an IA.
No, we'll consider the entire matter. We'll fix a date immediately after the vacation. What about 24th? Is it okay?
Maybe.
Thursday,
I am ready.
24th, as agreed upon by the learned counsel for the parties. List for hearing on 24/10/2024. 24/10, don't get this matter adjourned. You concentrate on this matter only. We find something serious defects. মনে তো না পড়লে কোনোবার